Hi everybody, this is S. Gokul from second year mechanical department, Johnson Institute of Technology. Here I have a topic with climate friendly and resilient cities. Climate in recent decades. These growing climate risks have clear implications for local economics and the financial well-being of municipal government. Well-planned adaptation measures can improve the quality of urban life as well as protect lives and infrastructures, strengthen community ties and improve economic performance. In recent decades, Alberta has experienced significant changes in its climate as well as its economy, population, and environment. Alberta's means annual temperature are increasing and projected to continue to rise in the coming decades, potentially by 2 degrees Celsius by the 2030s and 4 degrees Celsius by the 2060s compared to the 1990s. Should the current rate of global greenhouse gas emissions remains unchanged, total average annual precipitation is also projected to increase, but this change will vary between seasons. Precipitation levels are likely to increase more in the winter and declines in the summer. While these shifts in average climate conditions are significant, the more profound risk of climate change lies in the expected increase in climate variability and extreme weather events such as longer heat waves and more frequent heavy rainstorms. Should global greenhouse gas emission rate decline, the change in Alberta's climate will be lesser but still significant. In response, there is a need to build the resilience of cities so that they are better able to withstand anticipated and unanticipated shocks and stresses. A resilient city is one in which its institutions, communities, businesses, and individuals have the capacity to function and are able to survive, adapt, and grow in response to any kind of sudden short or long term disruption that they may experience. Such cities integrate the quality of flexibility, redundancy, robustness, resourcefulness, reflectiveness, inclusiveness, and integration into all aspects of city functions. Qualities of resilient cities. Reflective. People and institutions reflect and learn from past experience and leverage this learning to inform future decision making. Robustness. Urban physical assets are designed, constructed, and maintained in anticipation of high impact climate events. Redundancy. Spare capacity is built into the system to account for disruptions and surges in demand. It also involves multiple ways of fulfilling a need or function. Flexible refers to the willingness and ability to adopt alternative strategies in response to changing circumstances or sudden crises. This can be achieved through new knowledge and technology. Resourcefulness. Citizens and institutions are aware of climate risks, able to adapt to shocks and stress, and can quickly respond to a changing environment. Inclusive. Inclusive processes emphasize the need for board consultation and many views to create a sense of shared ownership or a joint vision to build city resilience. Integrated. Integrated processes bringing together and align city systems to promote consistency in decision making and investments. Exchange of information between components of the system enables them to function collectively and respond rapidly. So, this is about the climate friendly and resilient cities. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.